The Beatsy 111 update is now live, so here's a quick look at some of the new features added this time. Now, Beatsy is an augmented reality music visualizer app for iOS that lets you distort the real world to your music. So you can see how I placed the visualizer on a surface here, and it's going and responding and distorting that surface to the sound of my voice. I could also go and load up a song, of course. Now, the 111 update's really focused on quality of life improvements and tweaking the UI and fixing bugs and that type of thing. So the first thing you'll notice after launching the 111 update here is we have a new visualizer animation for actually going and placing the visualizer in the world here. So I can just move around. We have this nicely animated set of circles that are indicating where I'm going to place the visualizer in the world. And then I can go and hit that new place button to go and place things. So it should be a little bit more clear on where you're actually placing things in the world. Another cool improvement is I can actually go to the list of visualizers here, and you can see that instead of using a panel, it is now actually just expanded out that bottom bar, and I can just swipe down here to go and collapse that back down. So a little bit of a reduction in the uses of panels inside of the app, which you might notice. And one other thing that I want to highlight here is if I actually go to the color wave visualizer, you can see how I instantly get these three-dimensional visualizations of where the visualizer is supposed to be in the world as soon as I go and switch over to that. So previously, it would have to go and kind of scan the world to actually start adding those visualizations. Now those just are able to go and instantly start showing on the world. I can go and hit place, and you can see that I now get those color waves expanding on that surface where I placed the effect. A few other changes to highlight. So we've made some accessibility improvements. If you go and you increase the size of the text inside of the app, so you go into like your system preferences, increase the font size, for example, all of the UI elements should respond to that nicely. So we're really focusing on accessibility, and then a number of other bug fixes and things like that, as well as preparing for some upcoming features that we'll be announcing sometime during October. So that's just a quick look at the new update. Give it a try. Beatsy is available in the App Store for free, and be sure to share anything fun you create using the app. Thanks.